Hello everyone, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the sum of square of first n natural numbers. So we know that what are natural numbers. So the numbers which starts from 1 and goes to infinity at an interval of each integer. Such numbers are known as natural numbers. So if we need to find the sum of n natural numbers sum of square of n natural numbers like this. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square plus that up to n square, where n is an positive integer. Then we have to use a certain formula. We do not need to count the square and then add the terms particularly. So what we will use? We will use the formula that is n multiplied by n plus 1 multiplied by 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So this is the formula that we have to memorize while solving such problems. So in this question we need to find the sum of square of first 6 natural numbers. So I have written it here. So first method is we have to find out the squares and then we have to calculate the sum. So this is a long method. So in the short method we will use the above formula. So the sum is, we have to put the value of n is equal to 6 here. So we will get 6 and 6 plus 1, that is 7. 6 into 2, 12 plus 1 divided by 6. So 6 will be cancelled. So we can write this as 7 multiplied by 13, that is 91. So this is the answer. So this how we can calculate the sum of square of any number of natural numbers. So I hope you like the concept. I have also designed a calculator based on this concept. I will provide the link of that in the description below. Please share that with your friends so that they can also get benefit of that. If you want to ask any query, then do mention your doubts in the comment box below. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.